Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change language on YouTube. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your browser and type YouTube. Press enter. Open the YouTube. In YouTube homepage you will see a profile picture in the top right corner. So click on this profile picture. Here in the drop down menu, click on language. So once you open the language menu, all the language supported by YouTube will appear here. So you just need to select the language you want to use. So here you can see by default English is selected. If you want to change the language, then just click on that language. Just like I will select Urdu from here. So scroll down from here and I will click on Urdu. So now you can see your language is changed everywhere on YouTube. Here you can see the drop down on YouTube will be changed in your new language. So guys, in this video we saw how to change language on YouTube. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.